Quanta R by Iron Custom Motors, a groundbreaking high-performance quad bike that combines the thrill of a motorcycle with the safety of a car. This marvel of engineering features a lightweight aluminum body on a robust tubular frame, powered by a modified 2.5L Subaru engine that unleashes an astonishing 600 horsepower. With a sporty automatic 4x4 transmission, Brembo ceramic brakes, Bilstein suspension, and Vossen R22 wheels, the Quanta R delivers exceptional handling and braking for an unparalleled ride. The Alpine Marine music system amps up the excitement, while motorcycle-inspired optics and controls ensure an intuitive driving experience. Weighing in at just 750 kg, this beast rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 3 seconds, with a top speed of 200 km per hour. The two-seater quad bike also boasts a clever rear passenger seat hidden beneath a sliding cover, blending practicality with adrenaline-pumping fun. The Quanta R is the ultimate fusion of innovative design and cutting-edge engineering, promising an extraordinary adventure on every ride. Gibbs Quadski, one of the most cutting-edge amphibious vehicles on the market. This innovative hybrid of a personal watercraft and a quad bike redefines versatility and adventure. Introduced by Gibbs Sports Amphibians in October 2012, the Quadski seamlessly transforms from an all-terrain vehicle to a high-speed watercraft at the press of a button. On land, it operates like a typical ATV, but once the wheels retract and power shifts from the rear differential to the marine jet propulsion system, it conquers water with ease. Boasting a top speed of 72 km per hour both on land and water, the Quadski is powered by a marine-specific variant of the 1.3L BMW Motorrad engine used in the K1300S sports bike. Though production ended in 2016, the Gibbs Quadski remains a legendary fusion of technology and design, promising an exhilarating ride across diverse terrains. Spy Racing E8, an electric quad that masterfully blends high performance with eco-friendly innovation. This powerhouse features a 4 kW brushless motor and a robust 72-volt 100 Ah lithium battery, achieving thrilling speeds of up to 90 km per hour. Whether cruising city streets or tackling rugged trails, the E8 boasts an impressive range of up to 141 km per charge, depending on speed and terrain. Safety is paramount with hydraulic shock absorbers and brakes on both ends, ensuring a smooth, secure journey. The digital LED display, 3-speed settings, and differential rear-wheel drive provide superior control and handling. Thoughtful touches like hill start assist, adjustable camber and tow, and a water-resistant charging port enhance convenience. Visually striking, the E8 is available in matte gray, wine red, and nano gray, paired with polished or black 14-inch rims. Wesll Leaning Vehicle, an innovative transportation concept that redefines personal mobility. This hybrid quad merges the agility of a motorcycle with the stability of a car, featuring a unique leaning suspension system that allows for over 55 degrees of lean angle. This provides an exhilarating riding experience while maintaining safety and control. Designed to be lighter, faster, and safer than traditional 2- and 4-wheeled vehicles, the Wesll Leaning Vehicle offers both 2-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations to cater to various terrains and driving preferences. Its suspension system is engineered to work with gravity, enhancing efficiency and power during rides. Currently, the company is accepting orders for these cutting-edge quads, inviting adventure enthusiasts to experience a new level of excitement and performance. Envo e-ATV, a groundbreaking electric all-terrain vehicle that combines power, adaptability, and eco-consciousness. Perfect for off-road adventurers and outdoor workers alike, this vehicle features dual electric hub motors, generating a combined 3,000 watts of power, propelling it to speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. Its 60-volt 50 Ah lithium-ion battery provides ample range for extended escapades, with a payload capacity of 200 kg and a towing capacity of 350 kg, making the Envo e-ATV excel in both recreation and functionality. Boasting a 200mm ground clearance and a sturdy build, It conquers rugged landscapes effortlessly. Designed with the environment in mind, it operates silently and emits no pollutants, ideal for preserving natural habitats and ensuring minimal disruption to wildlife. Embrace the future of off-roading with the Envo e-ATV, where innovation meets nature. Xtrax E-Sport, a thrilling junior quad bike that promises an adrenaline-pumping off-road adventure for young explorers. A standout in the Funbike's electric quad collection, this robust quad features a low-maintenance brushless shaft-driven motor, delivered ride-ready after a meticulous pre-delivery inspection. Perfect for speed enthusiasts, it reaches speeds of up to 44 kilometers per hour, powered by a 48-volt neodymium magnet DC motor and a 20 Ah lead-acid battery, offering a 30 kilometers range. Safety is paramount with fully enclosed footwells and front and rear hydraulic disc brakes ensuring reliable stopping power. The 3-position variable speed limiter, adjustable to 14 kilometers per hour, 28 kilometers per hour, and 44 kilometers per hour, makes it suitable for various skill levels. Quadro 4, a revolutionary marvel in personal transportation. Renamed from the Quadro 4, this is the world's first 4-wheel tilting scooter, powered by a 346cc 30 bhp single-cylinder engine that delivers a smooth and powerful ride. Each wheel boasts its own disc brake, ensuring superior stopping power and control, while the twin-belt drive to the rear wheels offers versatility, allowing it to be ridden with either a bike or car license. Its standout feature is the hydraulic tilting system, providing unmatched grip and stability, perfect for both city commutes and leisurely rides. Weighing in at 281 kg, it remains agile, reaching speeds over 80 miles per hour and effortlessly handling city traffic and motorway cruising. The Quadro 4 is more than just transportation. It's a bold statement of innovation and freedom on 4 wheels, blending performance, stability, and unique style into one extraordinary ride. Funbike's toxic 800-watt Kids Quad, the ultimate thrill machine for adventurous youngsters. This sleek quad sports a futuristic transformer-inspired design, complete with dazzling lights and a handy battery gauge for real-time power updates. Under the hood, a powerful 1,000-watt, 36-volt high-torque motor roars to life, outclassing the standard 350-watt and 500-watt versions. The ride stands tall on robust 6-inch wheels, providing superior ground clearance, while high-grade outdoor rubber tires offer unbeatable grip and durability. With 3 premium shock absorbers, every journey is smooth and expertly managed. Safety is paramount, featuring 3 disc brakes, 2 at the front and an independent one at the rear, ensuring reliable stopping power. Parents can easily set the speed with a switch offering 3 levels, topping out at a thrilling 20 kilometers per hour. Versatility shines with forward, neutral, and reverse gears, making this quad a true all-terrain champion. Textron Alterra VLX 700, a rugged ATV designed for both performance and affordability. At its heart lies a 695cc single-cylinder 4-stroke engine with liquid air cooling and 4 valves per cylinder, ensuring smooth and efficient power delivery. Paired with a Duramatic belt-driven continuously variable transmission, complete with high-low range selector and reverse, this ATV conquers all terrains. The independent double A-arm suspension system at both ends provides a plush 10 inches of travel, while an 11-inch ground clearance and Carlisle Trail Pro tires on steel wheels ensure you're ready for any adventure. With a hefty payload capacity of 515 lbs and the ability to tow up to 1,050 lbs, the Alterra VLX 700 is built for serious work and play. Featuring a one-piece vinyl seat and manual steering, it's the perfect companion for those seeking a dependable and powerful ATV for any task. Yamaha Raptor 350, a beloved icon in the world of sport and recreational ATVs, produced from 2004 to 2013. Loved by off-road enthusiasts, Its 348cc air-cooled SOHC 4-stroke single engine delivers a perfect blend of power and efficiency. The Raptor 350's sleek, racy design and ergonomic comfort make it a joy to ride on rugged trails, drawing inspiration from Yamaha's legendary 2001 Raptor 660R and 2004 YFZ 450. Equipped with a 36mm BSR carburetor, it offers superb throttle responsiveness and an engine braking system for reliable stopping power on any terrain. Beyond its striking looks and power, its lightweight build and excellent handling make it a dream for both casual riders and adrenaline junkies alike. Why Can-Am Renegade 1000R, the ultimate sport ATV that sets new standards in power and performance. Dominated by a roaring 91 horsepower Rotax 1000R Volt twin engine, it stands as the most formidable force on the market. Conquer the toughest terrains effortlessly with 30-inch ITP crypted tires, delivering unparalleled traction and flotation in muddy and swampy conditions. The revolutionary Visco 4-lock front differential grants unmatched control and precise power distribution, making every challenging path a breeze to navigate. Enhance maneuverability and ride comfort with tri-mode dynamic power steering. With a ground clearance of 10.5 inches, the Renegade 1000R surges over obstacles like a true champion. Its rugged design ensures durability, while high-performance features guarantee an adrenaline-pumping ride every time, whether tearing through trails or mastering mud pits. Kawasaki Brute Force 300, where power meets versatility in an ATV designed for rugged work and exhilarating play. Its 271cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke engine ensures a smooth and responsive ride, paired with a continuously variable transmission, offering high and low ranges, plus reverse, for effortless handling on any terrain. Designed for practicality, this ATV features large protective floorboards and cargo racks capable of holding 44 lbs at the front and 66 lbs at the rear, along with a 500 lb towing capacity for all your hauling needs. The suspension system, equipped with a double wishbone front and swing arm rear, both with 5-way adjustable preload, promises a comfortable journey even on the roughest trails. With powerful disc brakes at both ends, you'll enjoy reliable stopping power in any conditions.